from again here. It's a very beautiful morning today, and you know what? I've discovered that a lot of people don't understand exactly how this goes about. Now, guys, remember when you go into our website, the first thing that you will see direction on how to go about purchasing this robot. Now, bear with me that when you go into the website, of course, you go in with the intentions of wanting to know exactly what you are buying. So you can just go through the website. The website will explain everything to you. But of course, if you feel like you want to communicate with me before you can even go into purchasing or getting the robot, your hands on the robot, get in contact with me via the number that is on the screen, via WhatsApp, of course. WhatsApp me via this number that you see down below. WhatsApp me, let's communicate, and so that you can get a better understanding of what you are buying. So after that, you can now go straight into the website. But the only way to access the website for now is through that link. If you don't click that link, you won't get this website. You need to click the link below for you to get to the website. Now, guys, I am glad that you have, taken this step, because now it shows that you are serious about this Forex stuff and you are in the clear direction on becoming a successful trader. Because it's not just being a trader, you need to be a successful one, profitable one. You need to be making money. You cannot afford to lose any more money. We want to take you to another level now. It's time for us to help you now. Come to us, we'll help you. Get in contact with me, text me via WhatsApp on that number below. And if you already know what you want, and you think that you've got all it covered, you don't have your answers are all, your questions are all answered, just go ahead and click the link below, and we'll meet you on the other side. Anyways, after the purchase, even on the website, after you've purchased, take a screenshot, send it via this number. So it's very important for you to save this number. Save this number. Just to save and say Forex Champions, so that you don't forget. Forex Champions. Save that number. So after the purchase on the website, you send me a proof on WhatsApp. You send me a proof on WhatsApp. That's it. Yeah. Guys, peace and take care.